Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create business email account in SiteGround for free and how to connect it to your Gmail account so that you can send and receive email directly on your Gmail inbox. I'm going to log into my SiteGround, choose the website, go to my emails and account. Over here, the structure of an email is you have a username and then you have a domain name. So it'll be something like sadmankibria1@gmail.com, sadmankibria1@yahoo.com, something like that. So a username, which is for you, a personal, uniquely identified to you, then add the domain name. So whether that's Yahoo or Gmail or Hotmail or whatever the domain name is. And the same exact theme, the same exact structure is for our email account. So over here, we've got this space where we can insert our username or account name, and then we got our @liviastore.com. This is the domain name, and we cannot change this. I'm going to create, let's say, one for support. So it'll be support@liviastore.com, and I'm going to also insert a password. So let's say, support@123, and I'm going to copy this password in case I forget, and just leave it over here. So, and then I'm going to click on create. Okay, very quick and easy. As you can see, it has created our support@liviastore.com email account. Now we also got another email account, admin@liviastore.com. So this is one that I created earlier. So few things about this support@liviastore.com. So as you can see over here, we've got our email quota. So that means the space that we allocate to this account. So we can change it. So currently it's 512 megabyte. We can change it if we go to this three dot and click on change quota. So we can allocate more space or less space. So let's say I'm going to allocate 430 megabyte for this. Click on confirm, and there you go. As you can see, it has now changed our quota. So now let's see how we can receive email to this email account. So for this, we're going to be logging to our webmail. So click on login to webmail. Right now it will be empty because we don't have got any email. So in terms of functionality wise, is the same as other mail account. So you can see our inbox, our draft, our send, our spam and deleted emails, as well as we have other functionalities. So we can see our contact, settings and other stuff. So basically functionality wise is the same as other email account. Now let's try to send that email to this email account. So for this, I'm going to go to my Gmail. I'm going to go and compose, paste the email address, and let's say testing email. Click on send. So this was sent. Now let's go back to our webmail, and as you can see, we've got our email. If we click on it, we can see the subject as well as the email content, and from, so we can see also the name over here. So performs exactly the same as other email clients. I'm going to delete this from here. Now let's see how we can connect this email to our Gmail account. So for this, very quickly, I'm going to go to my Gmail, and I'm going to go on setting, click on see all setting. From here, go on account and import, and scroll down, go on check mail from other account. As you can see over here, I have already got 2 email account connected to my Gmail. So I'm going to connect a new email address. So I'm going to click on add email account, and over here I'm going to paste my email address. So it will be support@liviastore.com. Over here, just leave as it is and click next. Now let's go back to our SiteGround site tool, and over here we're going to go to our mail configuration and click on manual settings. So these are few settings that we need to configure this email account. So we're going to open our Gmail setup thingy. As you can see, we have to provide our username, password and pop server. So the username will be your email address. So I'm going to copy and paste it over here. So support@liviastore.com. Make sure the spelling is right? And the password will be the password that you've chosen before when you have created this email account. So in my case was support@123. Okay, pop server. So the pop server will be our domain name. So get rid of the mail.part. So it'll be just liveyostore.com. And port. So one thing about the port, so it will be 110 by default if you don't have SSL. But if you do have SSL, then this would be 995. So as you can see, this one matches with this one. So SSL 995, no SSL 110. So that's about the port. Now you have a bunch of options. So leave a copy of retrieved message. Then you have all a bunch of options. But we're going to be only choosing the second one. So always use a secured connection SSL when retrieving email. Yeah. And then let's click on next or add account. Okay, there you go. So our email account has been added. Now it says that if you want to send email from this email address, and indeed we want to send email, so it will be yes and next. It will ask you for your name, so you can just choose your company name. For instance, in my case will be, let's say, administrator, for instance, administrator, and treat as alias, just leave as it is. So check that and then click on next step. Over here we have to configure our SMTP server. So we have to insert our SMTP server, username, password, as well as the port. So the server will be our domain name, so it will be liveyostore.com. The username will be the username that we have before, so support@liveyostore, support@liveyostore.com. Okay, and the password will be the one that we have before, so it will be support@123. And the port is this one over here, so 465. And then just leave as it is over here. Click on add account, and there you go, guys. We have configured our SMTP server and everything now should be fine. So now this has sent our confirmation email to our Gmail. So if you go back to our Gmail, we'll be able to see an email sent by Gmail. Over here, it should give you a confirmation code, which you have to paste on your Gmail thing over here. So paste over here, there you go, and click on verify. And we've done it, guys. We have successfully connected our business email account using SiteGround to our Gmail account. So from now on, we can send and receive email directly on our inbox without worrying about this fancy webmail thingy portal. So yeah, guys, this is how you connect your business email account on your Gmail. Thanks for watching, guys. If you did like, then please give a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.